Day one, overview of the start screen. Okay, this is our start screen. Okay, the start screen is a simple, clean interface that puts the focus on titles. But there are a few other things going on, such as a scroll bar along the bottom so that you can use to scroll among titles. Okay, so basically on the start menu, see, we're gonna have these titles. Okay, every single of these big icons are our titles in Windows 8. Okay, now on the start menu we also have the account settings. From the account settings here, from here we could change the settings of this user. And one more thing, when you guys hover your cursor to the right corner, see what's gonna appear? Charms. Charms is gonna appear. Okay, so we have search, share, start, devices, settings. Now, if you guys look at the bottom, there's a scroll bar. Every time that you guys see a gap, okay, there's a big gap right here between that scroll bar and the end of my screen on the right hand side. That means that from here we could scroll, see, horizontally to the right hand side, and other apps are gonna start popping up. Okay, as we continue, then I'm gonna start seeing different applications, different apps that I have installed on my computer. For example, right here we have the Microsoft Office suite. Okay, as you guys continue adding or installing more programs to your computer, see your start screen is just gonna get more icons because basically from here we can access any other application. Okay, now this is the Windows mode, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click into Microsoft Word 2010. It's gonna take me right away into the desktop mode, and my Microsoft Word 2010 is gonna open. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close this application by going to File and Exit. To go back to my Windows mode, Start menu, I'm gonna click into my Windows logo. Okay, so that is the overview of the start screen. Okay, we have these icons, account settings. When I click on account settings, I can change a picture, I can lock the computer, I can also sign out. When I click on lock, this is gonna be my lock screen. Okay, just by touching the screen, or if we click, I'm gonna be taken to my account and I'm gonna be prompted for my password. Once I type in the password, I'm gonna be back into my start menu or into the Windows mode. Okay, now understanding titles. Okay, titles make frequently used apps and settings available in a graphical way, rather than presenting these options in a menu. If you own a touchscreen device, they're even more convenient because you can simply tap a title to open an app. So-called live titles offer up to the minute information for certain applications. If you are logged on with a Microsoft Live account, you can easily add, remove, or rearrange titles on the start screen. Okay? So that means that all these titles right here, we could always rename it, we could add more, okay? We could move them around, we could also change the picture of the icon. Okay, but right now, let's say we are into understanding titles. Okay, now we have two types of titles. These big icons. Okay, already click on it and it's taking me to my calendar. Okay, now from here I'm just gonna go back. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna click into my Windows logo on the keyboard. Okay, so these big icons. Okay, those are just pre-installed icons that can pre-install with Windows 8. Okay, now some of these icons are also gonna be live titles. Live titles, see for example this one right here, the mail. This already giving me, is displaying the emails that I have into my account. Okay, right here, see, I'm also getting, see, live information, see, up to date. See, I just get a request from this student, okay, on Facebook, the Facebook for International College. Okay, if well, right now no one of the students is connected on the messenger, so there's no messages. But this live icon, see, is gonna be giving information as this one right here. See, this is just displaying the different couple of pictures that I have on the sky bar. Okay, now for example, we have another one. Okay, we have the live title for the finance. So this one's also giving us information in real time. Weather is telling me that in Paris, London, that in London is 37 degrees right now, and it's partly cloudy. Okay, so this is live information up to a minute. Okay, so those are the titles, static titles. For example, I have the static title. This is not giving me any information. It's just a static title to surf the internet. Okay, we have the store, which is another static icon. Okay, and right here, see, I have a live title. The live title is just provided, in real-time information from Bing. Okay, now again, right here I have my settings. All the way at the bottom, we have the scroll bar. So if we keep scrolling to the right-hand side, we're gonna see more titles. Okay, these titles right here, see, basically are gonna be different apps that we could get online from Microsoft Store. Okay, we're also gonna get into that. If I keep scrolling to the right hand side, then I'm gonna start seeing the apps, my apps that I have installed on my computer. And from here I could just open any app or application. Okay, I'm gonna start scrolling to the left hand side using the scroll bar. Now, if I wanna see the toolbar, at the bottom of the screen, I'm gonna need to right click anywhere, okay, into the start menu. Not right click into any live title, just right click into the start menu, and we will see the toolbar. The toolbar is all the way at the bottom. From here, see, we have this option, all apps. When we click on all apps, all the applications that I have installed on this computer are just gonna pop up. Okay, and same thing right now I'm just using, okay, so this is all the applications. Okay, there's different applications. We have games, music store, okay, Amazon, Bing, calendar. Okay, so all of these are different applications. We're gonna be getting into a few of them now. To surf to the right hand side, again I bring my pointer down to the bottom of the screen, and I'm gonna start surfing to the right hand side. Okay, so there's games. Depending on your computer manufacturer, this is an Acer computer. Okay, that's why I have some Acer. You guys are probably gonna be getting a Dell. You guys are gonna have some Dell applications. Okay, so just remember computers change a little bit from manufacturer to manufacturer, but basically the Windows 8 interface is the same. Okay, see, and right here I have my other apps that I install on this computer. So using this method, okay, right click into the start window and I'm clicking on all apps. See, I'm gonna get to see pretty much all the applications that I have installed on this computer. Okay, we will also be able to access the Windows accessories. And we have the calculator, character map, math input, etc., etc., etc. We're gonna be getting into each of these single items. Okay, now to exit this, I'm gonna click into my Windows logo key on my keyboard. Okay, so that is the overview of the start screen and understanding titles and live titles. Thank you guys.